In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own stickers. So first, open the layout panel and then up here click on sticker. And then here you will see all the different sizes available as stickers. So we offer the 1.5 times 1.9 inch sticker size, as well as the Happy Planner sticker size and some smaller ones down here. So for this video, I'm going to select the Happy Planner sticker size. So when clicking on it, you see that it automatically applied to the left side, and you can also select the right side and then click on the template button again, and it will apply to the right side as well. To make this video easier for you, I will only select to work on the left side. And you can choose as well to only work on the left side or on both pages. You don't have to go and reselect the sizing since it already set the paper size to the US letter page size. So this sticker sheet should be printed on A4 paper or US letter size paper, which is the 8.5 times 11 inch size paper. Now to customize the stickers, you want to click on one of the boxes. And then you see the widget panel appear here on the right side. Before I apply any widgets, you want to make sure that you always select to apply a force wrap. So you usually can find the force wrap option here in the settings when opening the widget menu. So it always should be up here somewhere. And then what you want to do is you want to click on Apply All. So now you see that it applied a gray border around all the stickers. Now you need that gray border to know where to cut out the stickers. So if you can, I recommend you to always apply that gray border here. Now that we have a gray border and now that we know where to cut, let's customize the boxes. So click on one of those, and then down here you can apply any type of widget. For example, a to-do widget. You can also change the text to to-do, the header. Then here you could, for example, apply a monthly widget. Change the month to January, for example. Or you could also apply, for example, a notes widget here and maybe call it notes. Something else you could do is you could go to graphics and then maybe apply one of the graphics into the widgets. For example, a frame like here. And then what you can do as well is you could go to creators. So here are all the artists that collab with us. So you could apply one of their art as well. This one's cute too. Or for example, some of Amanda's art. Something else you could do is you could also apply your own images. So when you go back to widgets and you scroll down to images, you should see a widget called My Images. So click on it. And then up here, let's click on Setting to make the panel bigger. So when you click on Choose File, you can import your files or your images to the website. And your images should appear down here. So I already imported a bunch of photos. So for example, let's choose my bunny. So click on it, click on any image, and it might take a few seconds, but it should appear here, like this. Something else you could do is, for example, if you go back to the widgets, you have here a widget that is called Online Images. So when you click on it, you see that it recommends you two websites, the stocksnap.io and the unsplash.com website. So when you click on one of those, for example Unsplash, You can also apply any of those images to your stickers. For example, if you want to make a sticker sheet themed as ocean, like this. And if you maybe like this image here, you could right click on the image and then you could go to copy image address, click on it, go back to the website, and up here you could copy paste the link which is copied before, and you see the image appear here. So again, if you like, for example, if you like this image here, right click, copy image address, go back to the website, and then here you want to copy paste the link. There you go. You can also add quotes to your stickers. So if you go here to quote, you can add a quote, and maybe you can type something in such as "Today is a good day," for example. And you can further make the text bigger or smaller, increase or decrease the line height, and there you go. Lastly, you can click on the styling panel and you can also select a styling here. For example, you could select a classic style and maybe make the lines black, or you could make it pink if you want and maybe change it to a modern style or minimalistic style, or for example a classic style. You can also add patterns down here, so it will apply you a pattern throughout the whole paper size. So that is something else you could make, or for example apply a gingham style to the background like this. So when you're happy with these stickers, let's keep it like this, and if you click on export, it will create you the sticker sheet to download. Then click on download, and here you go. If you have any questions, feel free to message us on Instagram and Facebook anytime, and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can.